So Betty takes everyone
in, and she just goes in and tells the salesperson ki, I'm getting married and I don't know when I'm getting married. I have a boyfriend who I think will propose me soon, so I don't have the ring right now, but I do feel I want to get married. I will get married, so I just love this dress and I want to try it on. So she tries it on, and the moment she tries it on, everyone started looking at her like, oh my god, this is such a beautiful dress. When she did that, when she saw everyone looking at her, she said, she said the salesperson ki, I have tried it. I don't know. I can't feel if it is the best dress for me. I would get to know about this dress better if my friends wear it. So इस वजह से हर इंसान उसको पहनता है. स्टार्ट्स विद बेटी, उसके बाद इंगा पहनती है, देन मगदा पहनती है, देन जोएन पहनती है, एंड देन एवलिन पहनती है. एवलिन वॉज वेयरिंग दिस ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. द सेल्स पर्सन, शी वॉज वेरी स्वीट, एंड दे शी हर्सेल्फ वॉज थिंकिंग, लोग विंडो शॉपिंग करने आ रही बेचारी, हम सबको पहना पहना के दिखा रही है. शी फेल्ट वेरी बैड अबाउट द होल ऑर्डील बिकॉज शी वॉज feeling guilty. So the woman who was the saleswoman, she's like, I know you guys are not gonna buy this dress, but I feel you are in love whenever you get married. So she's like, no. She feels that she tried to play it cool. No, it's not me. It's she who's getting married and all. Betty is getting married, but then the person says, I've been working here for so long. I know when a person is in love. She's not even in love, let alone get married. So, but you on the other hand look to be in love, so I can only think that you are getting married, or you will get married soon. So this, she has this discussion with her, she has this conversation. But after all the people tried on the dress, they realized that they have fallen in love with that dress. Once they realize that, they chip in and they say कि okay fine, एक इंसान तो इसको नहीं खरीद सकता, let's just chip in and we'll just buy this dress. And mind it, at this point no one of them is married, is about to get married. None of them are engaged, not they've been proposed to, and they don't even have a solid relationship जिसके बेसिस पे वो खरीद रहे थे. When they did this, next day Betty realized कि Evelyn has some feelings for George, and she might feel कि वो मेरे से शादी करना चाहता है. Maybe उसके दिमाग में ये सब चल रहा है. So as a friend, she thinks, I'll go to George and tell him if he's not planning to getting married to her, I'll ask him to back off. But so she, with that thought, she goes and meet George, and George, being the person that he is, just comes and kiss her.